Okay, fifth grade, now we're going to go back in your textbook to page 12 for the guided practice problem. So in your spiral, underneath the notes you've just taken, please label guided practice and put page 12 down. Okay, you will see the directions for number 1 through 4. It says to write each decimal as a fraction or a mixed number. So how are we going to do that? Okay, this is a decimal, we have to read it. So I see 3, what place is the 3 in? It's in the thousands. So I have to just take that. There's no whole number, so that means I'm just writing a fraction. And I'm going to put 3 over 1,000, because again, that 3 is in the thousands place. Okay, copy down number 2, 0 decimal point 050. Okay, now we need to read that. How do we read 50? Well, we read it 50. What place is this 0 in? Again, that's the thousands. Okay, I don't have a whole number, so I'm just going to write a regular fraction of 50 over what? Yes, 1,000. Good job. Again, if these are tricky or you don't understand, good time to write me a question. Number 3, please copy down 7 decimal point 001. This time I see a difference. I see the 7 is in the ones place, so now I need to write a mixed number. So I'm going to write my whole number first, okay, and read it. 7 and 1, what place is that in? Thousands. So now I need to make my fraction show 1 thousandths, which will be 1 over 1,000. Okay, I think you're getting it. All right, number 4, copy down this decimal, 0 decimal point 393. Okay, I do not see a whole number, so let's read the 3 numbers together. 393, what place is the 3 in? Is your thousands. So I have to just make a fraction then of 393 over 1,000. All right, good job. If you have questions, please put them down. Now in our next numbers, in 5 through 8, this is back on page 12, it says to write each fraction as a decimal. So they give us a fraction, now we need to make it a decimal. For number 5, please put 389 over 1,000. How am I going to write that as a decimal? I have to write 389 thousandths. This is where, if you need to, use your chart, plug that number in. And your 9 should be in the thousands place, and you fill it in accordingly. So to get that as a decimal, we put 0 decimal point 389. Reread this, 389 in what place? Thousands. All right, good job. Next one, number 6. Please put 3 673 thousandths. 3 and 673 thousandths. You will see this is a mixed number, so I'm going to write it a little different than the last one. I have to start with my 3 because it's a what? Yes, a whole number. So we put our whole number first, then our decimal point, and then I have 3 digits here for the 3 place values. 673, 3 is in the thousands place, so I know I'm on track. All right, good. Next one, number 7. Copy 211 over 1,000. So I read this, 211 thousandths. So 0 decimal point 211. 211, what place is the 1 in? Yes, the thousands. Good job. Our last one here, number 8. 90 over 1,000ths. How do I read it? 90 thousandths. Put my 0, put my decimal. Now this time I only have 2 digits, so I know I'm going to need to put a 0 in first. If you're not understanding this, use your chart and read it. 90 and thousands. You know that 0 has to go in the thousands place, and then work your way back to the left. All right, 5th grade, that's our practice for today. Again, please write me down some questions. And then now I would like you to try the following problems underneath here for practice. So write your word practice here.
Ms. Wilson, please dial 3126. Ms. Wilson, 3126.
Okay, you're going to start practice from page 12, and I want you to copy down these numbers because you're not doing all of them. I want you to try 13, 14. Would like you to try 17 and 18. Then I would like you to try 19 and 20. Again, try them. Do your best, put something down, or if you completely don't understand it, write the question and ask me what you don't understand. Good job, 5th grade. Finish your stuff, and I'll see you in class.